GoPro. You'll most likely never buy a GoPro camera for its battery life. As we mentioned in our review of the Hero 10, it has never been the brand's strong suit. In fact, the Hero 9 outlasted the Hero 10 by almost half an hour when we tested out the new model. Now, the company has launched a new grip called Volta that could extend a GoPro camera's battery life by up to 3 times. Combined with the GoPro's own battery, the Volta grip can deliver up to 4 hours of 5.3 kelvins, recording at 30 fps. When we took the Hero 10 for a spin, it only lasted for an hour and 15 minutes. In addition to its built-in 4,900 mAh battery, Volta also comes with integrated camera buttons to give you access to one-handed controls while the GoPro is mounted. You can even use it as a remote control for up to 98 feet away. And if you need a tripod for your shoot, you can flip out its built-in legs anytime. Volta compatible with both Hero 10 and Hero 9, but it will also charge any USB-C device, including the GoPro Max and older models. Alone, the Volta grip will set you back $130, or $91 if you're a GoPro subscriber. However, it also comes bundled with the new GoPro Hero 10 Black Creator Edition. The company has put together a neat package for creators to make it easy to grab everything they need in one go. In addition to the camera itself and a Volta battery grip, the bundle comes with GoPro's Media Mod and Light Mod. Those modifications add a built-in directional microphone, 3.5mm mic and HDMI out ports, as well LED lighting with 4 level of brightness up to 200 lumens to the camera. As you can guess, the bundle is cheaper for subscribers that pay the company $50 a year. New members will even be able to get the package for $532, which represents quite a substantial discount from the $760 or so total price of the items when purchased individually. All products recommended by Engadget are selected by our editorial team, independent of our parent company. Some of our stories include affiliate links. If you buy something through one of these links, we may earn an affiliate commission.